Animal bites can happen anywhere, anytime, to anyone. Let's keep bites at bay. Pets are fluffy and fun, but even animals we know and love can bite us if we're not careful. So always remember, be nice to your pet. Be gentle and care for it like you want to be treated. Never go near an animal you don't know, even if they seem friendly. Don't run by a dog, because they like to chase things. If you see an animal eating, sleeping, or caring for their babies, leave them alone. Tell your parents right away if an animal bites, scratches, or nips you. Let's stay out of harm's way by keeping animal bites at bay.